Hello, my name's Craig Hughes. I'm a hypnotherapist based in Cheshire in the northwest of England, and I'm the founder and owner of Hypnotherapy for Change, a hypnotherapy practice. I operate online mainly, but I do offer face-to-face appointments as well. One of the specialist areas that I work with clients on is smoking cessation. And smoking cessation includes, for me anyway, both cigarettes and vaping. Vaping is becoming more and more of an issue now as the numbers of people smoking cigarettes declines each year. So my client base includes both cigarette smokers and vapors. Using hypnotherapy to try and quit smoking, either cigarettes or vapes, is a very shrewd decision. And there's lots of evidence out there which proves that using hypnotherapy, along with other methods as well sometimes, can really help people to kick that habit. Smoking cigarettes in particular is a very costly habit, and it's also costly to people's health, both in the short term and the long term. People who give up smoking see real benefits within the first 2 weeks of giving up. They feel better, their breathing improves, and they have more energy as well. In addition to this, obviously, it's better for the pocket because the average smoker who smokes 20 cigarettes a day will be spending over £5,000 per year on cigarettes. Once a smoker has got past the initial period after giving up, which includes some withdrawal symptoms, the actual process of giving up smoking can be made a lot easier by working with a qualified hypnotherapist, because the hypnotherapist will provide the client with coping strategies to deal with those situations that will arise, particularly in the first couple of weeks after giving up. Most of the hypnotherapists that focus on smoking cessation will also include in their process some form of relapse prevention technique. Once that initial period after giving up has passed, then a smoker will find that they feel less stressed, less anxious, less depressed than any other individuals who've continued to smoke. When people are ready to give up, it can be really helpful to work with a hypnotherapist who's trained in smoking cessation techniques. Most hypnotherapists deliver their program over 1 or 2 sessions. Myself, I usually have an initial session which lasts about 30 to 40 minutes with a client, and then the main session happens about a week or a fortnight after that session, and that usually lasts up to 2 hours. And then in that period in between, I ask the client to monitor their cigarette intake and how they feel when they're having the cigarette, in particular the first cigarette, because that's usually a key cigarette during the day for a smoker. I normally provide clients with some additional support once that session has been completed for the first couple of months, just in case they need that extra support. Many of my clients have actually said that they were really scared about the prospect of giving up smoking, but actually once they'd done it, they didn't feel that it was as difficult or scary as they first thought it was. So if you're ready yourself, or you know somebody who's ready to give up smoking and quit that habit, you'll find myself and lots of other qualified hypnotherapists on Hypnotherapy Directory. I can also be contacted directly. My website address is www.hypnotherapyforchange.co.uk. Thank you.